Is there an app on your Samsung Smart TV not working, freezing, or failing to open? Follow these steps to troubleshoot it. Start by soft resetting the TV. Hold the power button on the remote for 5 seconds until the TV restarts. This refreshes the RAM and cache without deleting data. Unplug the TV for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears the RAM and cache for a deeper reset. Check for software updates. Start by pressing the home button and navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select Support. Select Software Update from the list. Click Update now to start updating your TV. If the app still isn't working, delete and reinstall it. Press the Home button and navigate to Apps. From here, go to the Settings. Navigate to the app to highlight it and press Enter. Now choose Delete from the list. Press the Return button on your remote control. After that, select the search icon and search for the app by name, and reinstall the app. Resetting Smart Hub signs you out of all apps on your Smart TV, not just the one you're fixing. Make sure you have your login info ready before proceeding. Start by navigating to Settings on your TV. Then select All Settings. Select Support from the menu. Then select Device Care. Navigate to and select Self-Diagnosis. Then select Reset Smart Hub from the options. Enter your PIN. If you haven't set a PIN before, enter the default PIN, which is 0000. These steps should help you resolve most issues with apps not working on your Samsung Smart TV.